Okay, so good morning everyone. This is our class for grade 7 Kumintang, PLE, products and byproducts of poultry and livestock production. So, we all know that raising farm animals give many benefits to people and the community. It does not only give jobs to people but also provides many useful products that we use or maybe eat every day. This product includes milk, right? Eggs, yung sabay mo kaandring itlog, meat, oh, di ba? Ginasamgyup na to. Next is leather, wool, feathers, and even materials for medicine. Yes po, kasali po ang medicine. Now, we are going to understand different terms regarding products of poultry and livestock production. Now, the first word is traction, wherein some farm animals, like cattle or carabaos, help farmers by pulling plows and carts. They are called draft animals. Okay, ginatawag din natin iganing mga hayop. Tinatawag po natin ganitong klase ng mga hayop, draft, ano ito? Draft animals. Because they help in doing heavy work on the farm. Okay. Kung sa ganito ilang ginatabang gani sa draft animals. Okay. For example, pulling plows and carts. Not only that class, but they also help in transporting goods. For example, class, meron tayong mga remote areas, okay? Wherein hindi po nakakapasok yung malalaking sasakyan, mga trucks, okay? Instead of those things, okay, we now get help from draft animals, wherein they hold product and materials from one place to another location. This way, it reduces human labor burden. Okay? So next one. This is what we call dairy products. So dairy products are animals like cows and goats. Di ba nag-produce sila milk? Milk can be made into other foods such as cheese, butter, yogurt, and even our favorite snacks. Okay? Pick in it, ice cream. Okay. These are all made from dairy products. It says that milk products or milk undergoes diverse processes, creating a rich array of delicious products. Diba? Um, yan ganing minsan, ah, gutom tayo sa gabi. Pumupunta tayo ng ano ba, minute burger. Diba? Merong cheeseburger, buy one, take one. Okay. Ganun pong klaseng mga produkto is from dairy products. An example of dairy products, I mean, animals that produces dairy products are cows and goats. Okay? Okay. Next one is eggs and meat. Okay. Eggs and meat. So here we have, for example, chicken, which produces eggs, pigs, which produces meat, and of course, we also have cows. Okay, wherein it also produces um, no, it produces milk and meat. Okay, these are good sources of protein that can help us grow strong and be healthy. Okay, nakalagay nga dito, di ba yung mga um, nag nag-gym, meron silang iniinom. Okay? Protein shake. Okay. Those are concentrated drinks that uh, bodybuilders drink in order for them to have more protein. Okay, pero meron din tayong mga natural ways in order for us to have or uh, intake protein. Okay? This is through chickens, pigs, cows. Okay? Their products. It says that eggs and meat are excellent source of protein. They are vital to muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Okay. Pag sinabi nating repair, ano kaya ibig sabihin nito? For example, um, nagkasugat tayo, di ba? Our skin or body tissues are damaged. It says here that true protein, okay, which are or which we get from eggs and meat, pag nakain pala tayo ng mga ganito, it helps to repair our body faster. Okay? Next one, clothing. Okay. Alam nyo ba that our clothes could be animal contributions? Kasi nga, some animals provide materials for making clothes and accessories. For example, class, we have cow skin. It can become a leather for bags and shoes. Next is goat fur, wherein it can be made into wool. Okay, wool. Next one, chicken feathers that can be used for decorations or costumes. Okay? Have you seen this one? Yung mga balhibo po ng mga manok ginagamit po natin for decorations and costumes. Right? Okay. Next one. Medicine, wherein it is a nature's pharmacy. Bakit? Kasi nga, part of animals such as skin, bones, horns, and hooves are sometimes used to make medicines and vitamins. Okay, akala natin nun di kasali yung mga hayop when creating medicine, but now you know that such animals can also be used for medicines, okay? Pharmaceutical products. Kasi nga, animal byproducts serve as vital source in medicine development. Isa pa, key components from animal skin, bones, and hooves are extracted. Meaning pala class, no? Mapa-skin man yan, mapa-bones man yan, mapa-hooves man yan, mapapakinabangan natin ito in terms of medicine. Okay, next one. So next one, we are going to understand the meaning of byproducts. So animal byproducts are materials not typically eaten. Uy. However, they are still very useful for various purposes. Sige nga, natanong ako. Sige. Not typically eaten. Do we eat feathers? Nakain ba tayo ng mga feathers? Di ba hindi? Okay. So we can consider that now as byproducts. Okay. How about nakain ba tayo ng mga hides or skins? Maybe sa lechon nakain tayo, no? Lechon. Masarap yung skin ng lechon, sir. Okay. But some animals, okay, farm animals, we don't eat their skins. Now, these are now used as leathers for goods, clothing, or upholstery. Okay, we also have bones and even animal fats. Okay, these are called byproducts. Because nga ang goal natin is to maximize the utilization, paggamit ng mga products. Okay? Para nga ma-avoid natin ang waste across industries.